Every few years, companies are faced with a question. Is now the season to endure the time, energy, and investment to replace our legacy ERP? Or do we just continue to use our current platform, patch it when it's needed, and hope for the best? And if we do go through a digital transformation, selecting and implementing a new ERP, how do we even start that ERP project? After 30 years of assisting companies with that process, here are some ways to recognize it's the right time to get a new ERP, along with some ideas to consider as you take those initial steps. Number 1, determine a project manager and team who provide oversight to the project from beginning to end. Before you can determine if now is the right time to upgrade or get a new ERP system, you need someone to manage the assessment for your organization. A digital transformation project is one of the most resource-intensive initiatives your organization is likely to face, an undertaking that touches every department and virtually every process of the company. Thus, it can be hard to know who best fits the role of PM for the assessment phase. But that person should also be able to manage the digital transformation and ERP selection phase as project manager if needed. An internal project manager will shepherd the organization in developing a comprehensive audit, sustainable strategy, and thoughtful implementation with a strong response and communication system within the company. They will ensure every measure is taken to get the organization to the desired outcome. Companies typically look for someone in their ranks with a strong background in technology, along with an understanding of operations and accounting, who is also very experienced in the rigors of company-wide project management. They need to be completely devoted to the project for the 6 to 9 month duration, from the comprehensive process audit all the way until the implementation go live. The second key to determining the right time to get an ERP is, number 2, begin a self-audit of your current system, aka the current state. Oversight of asset and liabilities, personnel, finances, machinery, all the elements that lead to profitable operations must be carefully managed using technology found in enterprise resource planning software. For most companies, this is the backbone of their operations, giving visibility across the organization and aiding leaders in decision-making. But as companies grow, so too do the complexities of their organizations, systems, and processes. And simply put, they outgrow their ERP that got them from point A to point B. In fact, your company's current limitations may be the best indicators of the need for a complete digital transformation or a new ERP. Often these limitations cause both acute and chronic pain. The acute pain that may be leading you to seek answers here are the inefficiencies, manual processes, and additional labor it takes just to make the system work. The chronic pain is that dull throb of realization that your competitors may have systems that are accomplishing more than you can dream, thanks to plug-and-play edge products like an MES or CRM that brings visibility, simplicity, and automation to additional areas of the organization. An internal current state audit can be tricky, but it starts by asking questions like, where is our business fragmented right now? What is our current reality, and how is that working? Where do the breakdowns occur in each area of the business? Does everyone understand their role and the vision of the business? How well does information flow across the organization? For more help in this area, Ultra Consultants has some great checklists available for free download on our website. These are a great place to start. And lastly, we recommend number 3, find an independent ERP consultant to provide expertise. Companies looking to save time, money, and the heartache of failed implementation goals bring in experienced project management experts and ERP consultants to simplify the complex project. Insist on these 5 characteristics when choosing an ERP consultant. Fierce independence, not a software vendor or reseller, not receiving kickbacks, you can ask them point blank, willing to consider all available options, industry experience and expertise, project management and change management experience, knowledge of software solutions, best practices, and vendor relationships, transparency with past clients for case studies and references. In short, the best way to assess whether or not it's time for a new ERP system is to carefully determine what efficiencies you're missing out on with your current system. Take time to assess where your business stands today in terms of best practices and current technology, and get the expertise you need to get your company ready for the next dozen years of innovation and profitability. At Ultra Consultants, we've helped hundreds of manufacturing and distribution companies like yours find the best ERP software solution for them. We stick around to ensure the expected gains in profitability are realized too. With Ultra on your side, you're empowered to gain the tools you need to drive efficiencies that increase your bottom line. For more information and additional resources on how to bring our expertise through your front door, visit us at ultraconsultants.com.